Okay, so we're back on the tutorial. So before we start anyway, so it just blows my mind, like some people who comment me. So the New Boston, so if you go to the New Boston, so if you don't know, the New Boston's like the first ever YouTuber who do the programming tutorial like that. So if you go on his page, so yep, he's back anyway, so that's the good news. And yeah, so it just blows my mind that the New Bosons will gonna come back after this 5 years of away on YouTube, and things changed drastically. Like his last series called ES6, so very old, like Redux, like 4 years. It almost gonna get 5 years anyway. So that's the news, and thank you the one who point me out that on my old video, that what happened to the New Boston. And yeah, so see the site, so it's now on, it's like a new currency base. What is this? Is this a Bitcoin like that? I don't know, but yeah, so Bucky Robert is okay, he's doing fine. And yeah, so let's go to the my tutorial anyway. So we're gonna go to our TypeScript array. We're gonna talk about TypeScript array now, and yeah, let's just start it. So in this tutorial we're gonna learn about array object. So we're gonna create a array, so we're gonna call the array object to create our array. So not on traditional way, so like this, so array string like that. So we can do this like, let's say bar, so alphabet, and let's say string like that. So we're gonna call array, so we're gonna specify it with for like that. Okay, so we're not gonna use a string because it's not, we're gonna for loop anyway. So number, so for, so there's no shortcut for TypeScript, right? There's a shortcut for loop. Okay, I don't want to like to type this thing like this. So I is equal to alphabet dot length. So that length is gonna checks the length of the array, and I plus plus, that's it. And we want the alphabet index is equal to I times 2, so we can get the, we're gonna start on 0, right? So it will output 0246, and we're gonna console log dot log and alphabet array dot I. So we run this, clear ls, so dino run 03 array.ts. okay, so array that is 538 5. okay, so this one, so we need to add the colon, okay, so this one, not that, colon. And yeah, so clear, so we run that again, 0246. that's how we're gonna do it. And yeah, so on this store we're gonna call the object of this one array, and we specify it with 4 size of 4, and that's how we're gonna do the array object. You're gonna call it, it's same on string, if you can do that. it's up to you anyway what kind of approach you're gonna do. So you can do this if you're gonna specify how many array you're gonna put. So this is the appropriate way to do this. New array equals to something like that. And yeah, so I'm done on the array object. So we're gonna go on array methods, all of the methods that you can use. So we're not gonna tackle all of those, we're just gonna use few of those. So you just don't need to remember all of the array methods anyway. So yeah, see you in the next tutorial.